so we just started this thing, and you could hear this is the noise that it makes, and you can see the water's moving around. I got this on my Instapot clamp to the side. Plenty of room for that clamp. You can see there's still an extra couple of threads that could have backed off. So it's now in an insulated pot, and it's heating the water. I set it for 130, and it's taken, oh, I would say less than 2 minutes to get from 110 to 121 now. Heating up real fast, which is great. I can see the water steaming already. We did put hot tap water in though, so that helps save a little energy there. And we used the app to start it, and it worked flawlessly. It connected to the app easily. I had no problems with the Wi-Fi connection. And we vacuum sealed a couple of New York strips here, big fatties, and put some salt and pepper, and that's it. And vacuum packed them up. So we're going to throw that in as soon as that gets to 130, and then we'll start it again when they're done. All right, so literally, I would say less than 2 minutes later, it's already to 130 degrees. So I'm very impressed with that. And now it's started the countdown. So we're going to put these little steaks in here. I think the best way to describe the noise that this thing makes is like a mosquito. Like when a mosquito gets really close to your ear. That's kind of the droning sound it makes. Not necessarily annoying. I guess that's it. That's the noise it makes.